news where the top rebel of Negros, Frank Fernandez, was arrested in Laguna. Do you have a reaction to the massive operations against the left?
Sinabi naman na ni President Duterte there are no peace talks, so they're going after members of the Communist Party of the Philippines with pending mga cases, even members of the New People's Army.
So this will be non-stop.
Well, we do not know. I'm not part of the Philippine National Police, but it seems na yun yung sa kanila. Not just members of the CPP, NPA who have cases, but sa amin sa Davao City, malakas din yung plan, pag-implement ng PNP ng mga arrest warrants, not just for members of CPP, NPA, but murder, rape cases, dami doon.
Localized peace talk, ma'am, for the NPA. Anong comment to localized peace talk?
Sinubukan ko sa Davao, sir, hindi naman sila interested eh. Papaligoy-ligoy yung kanilang ano eh. They're not really very straightforward.